Thinking about starting your own business but don't know where to start? Forget the hype. No gurus, no BS. I'm giving you a clear, step-by-step game plan to launch your first business from scratch. Let's make it happen. Step 1. Every successful business solves a real problem. Not a made-up one, a real one that people actually care about. So ask yourself, what do people complain about constantly? What do your friends struggle with? What do you wish existed? Maybe students around you are always wasting time organizing class notes. If that's the case, build a digital planner or offer smarter study systems. Or maybe the local barbershop can't manage appointments. So create a simple booking solution. Don't start with what should I sell, start with what problem can I solve. Step 2. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Here are 3 beginner-friendly business models that work service-based. Offer your skills directly, like graphic design, tutoring, or being a virtual assistant. That comes with a low startup cost. Product-based. Sell physical or digital goods, either by reselling, dropshipping, or making your own. Or local and niche. Think cleaning, mobile detailing, pet sitting, tutoring, underrated but scalable. Pick one and keep it lean. Step 3. Don't build a full business before you know people want it. Test your idea. Ask 10 people if they'd buy. Post in relevant forums or groups. Offer a beta version of your service for free or at a discount. If no one's interested, pivot. That's not failure, it's research. Step 4. Here's what you actually need to get started. Essentials only. A way to take payments, like Stripe, PayPal or Venmo. A basic landing page or form. Think card, Typeform, Notion. A spreadsheet to track customers' payments and feedback. A professional email and maybe a logo. Canva's free. No, you don't need an LLC on day 1. Start earning first. Register later when you validate. Step 5. Your first customers won't come from ads. They'll come from real conversations. DM people directly. Offer friends or classmates a discount to try it out. Network in small online communities or at local meetups. Cold email small businesses with a quick pitch, like, hey, I'm offering X service to help with Y problem. I'd love to do a free trial or offer it at a discount to get early feedback. Interested? The goal: get 3 to 5 paying users ASAP. Step 6. Your early customers are your R&D team. Ask them, what worked? What was confusing? What would they pay more for? Use that feedback to adjust pricing, packaging, or the service itself. Small improvements make a huge difference. Step 7. You don't need to make $10K in your first month, you just need momentum. Set a simple target for your first 30 days, like making $500, serving 5 customers, or hitting break even. Keep showing up. Stay focused on solving one problem better than anyone else. Starting a business isn't about being a genius, it's about solving problems, taking action, and learning fast. You've got the blueprint, now build it. Like and subscribe.